After seeing that my most watched video on how to brush, part 1, had an advert at the beginning of it, the advert was on teeth whitening. So I thought that it would be a good idea to do a post on teeth whitening for you. Teeth whitening can be carried out by a dental professional that is registered with the General Dental Council. In the UK, it is illegal for anyone else to carry out teeth whitening, especially when there is an ingredient containing hydrogen peroxide. Dental professionals can carry out teeth whitening with hydrogen peroxide with a percentage of 0.1 to 6% hydrogen peroxide. 6% is the maximum legally allowed in the UK. You may see this as 16% carbamide peroxide, which is equivalent to 6% hydrogen peroxide. Unfortunately, many products out there on the market are available to buy without a prescription and not being done by a dental professional. Beauticians carry this out a lot, some of them even unaware that it is highly illegal, and they can face a hefty fine if they do it. Beauticians go on courses and think that it's okay to do it if it doesn't contain hydrogen peroxide. However, it is still illegal for them to carry out teeth whitening. Best advice I can give you is to go and see your dentist, dental hygienist, or your dental therapist and professionally get your teeth whitened. Teeth whitening is also a prescribing medicine. So, therefore, dental hygienists and dental therapists who can administer and carry out teeth whitening can only do so on prescription by a dentist. There are some products out there available without hydrogen peroxide. The ones that I know of are the Singing Dentist has some whitening strips which claim can be up to 7 shades whiter by removing the extrinsic stains on the outer layer of the teeth and using an ingredient inside called PAP. I'll put all the links below and explain what PAP is and any helpful tips there for you. The other way, this is if you can't afford teeth whitening, you can go to a dentist. You find ranging from about £300 to £1,000 in some practices for teeth whitening. You can have it at night, and where you can go to a dentist, you can either have it in surgery, where they do it in surgery, and sometimes you take some home as well, or the most popular is the home kits, where you will have impressions taken and they will put whitening in your mouth in the trays, and then you take the trays home, and then you do that at home yourself over a 2-week period, 10-day period. You would have your shade taken before you start the process and after to see how many shades whiter you have gone. With PAP, there is some new evidence rising out there to say that it is very safe for the teeth and the soft tissues, and that it can have the same oxidising effects as hydrogen peroxide, therefore lightening the teeth. This way is much cheaper. See the link below. Other things that I recommend as a hygienist, I don't have prescribing rights, as I have said, so it's a service that is unfortunate that we cannot provide to our patients if they ask. I get a lot of people asking about teeth whitening, so it's always nice to be able to recommend something to them. So I will either say go to your dentist and get that prescription and do it via your dentist, or ask a dentist to prescribe it to me so that I can do it for my patients. The other alternative is the strips, so the PAP strips. That was designed by, this one in particular that I'm talking about was designed by a dentist, the Singing Dentist, so I would trust that it is all safe, and that is something that you could also consider, and it is a lot cheaper. The other one is the toothpaste that I recommend a lot, which is the Curaprox range Black is White. It has a filter over it, so after you've cleaned your teeth with it, this filter stays on the teeth and it gives an image of them looking a lot whiter and brighter. It also removes the extrinsic stains with the ingredient inside, which is charcoal. Also see the link below. I sell the Black is White toothpaste, so you can see that on my site and the link below. Yeah, I just really be careful about buying anything online that you don't know where you've got it from, and if it's not coming from a dental professional. There was some research done where they bought some products of whitening to test the percentage of the hydrogen peroxide in it, and it was, well, some of them were 10 times over the amount that was advised, therefore causing damage to the enamel and the soft tissues and likely to be permanent damage. So the best advice, as I say, is a dental professional giving you advice, recommending it, or purchasing it from them. Yeah, I think that's it. And the other really important thing is to not go and whiten your teeth without first at least having an examination with your dentist to make sure everything's okay and that it is suited to you, and also visit your dental hygienist or your dental therapist to have a clean to remove any of the extrinsic stains, calculus, hard deposits, soft deposits before carrying out the teeth whitening. Be healthy, be happy.